Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight I'm going to talk about reported speech, reported statements. When do we use reported speech? Sometimes someone say a sentence, for example, I'm going to the cinema tonight. Later, maybe we want to say to someone else what the first person said. Here, how it works. We use a reporting verb like say or tell. If this verb is in the present tense, it's easy. We just put she says and then the sentence. Direct speech. I like ice cream. Reported speech. She says that she likes ice cream. We don't need to change the tense. Though probably we don't need to change a person from I to she, for example. We also may need to change words like my and your. As I'm sure you know, often we can choose if you want to use that or no in English. I put it in brackets to show that it's optional. It is exactly the same if you use that or if you don't use that. But if the reporting verb is in the past tense, then we usually change the tenses in the reported speech. Direct speech. I like ice cream. Reported speech. She said that she likes ice cream. Tense, direct speech, reported speech. Simple present. I like ice cream. She said that she liked ice cream. Present continue. I am living in London. She said that she was living in London. Simple past. I bought a car. She said that she had bought a car. Past continue. I was walking along the street. She said that she had been walking along the street. Present perfect. I haven't seen Julie. She said that she hadn't seen Julie. Past perfect. I had taken English lesson before. She said that she had taken English lesson before. Will, I see you later. She said that she will see me later. Would, I will help Bud. She said that she will help Bud. I can speak perfect English. She said that she could speak perfect English. I could swim when I was 4. She said that she could swim when she was 4. I should call my mother. She said that she should call her mother. I might be late. She said that she might be late. I must study at the weekend. She said that she must study at the weekend. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. This was all for tonight. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursdays. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.